Welcome to here's Crafts&Arcade. We're going to show you today how to make icing. Now, if you can see what we're going to have here is the spatula to scrape off the sides. And then we can get this and scrape this off right here to get the
That's a
sugar.
leveler. That levels it.
It will level the
sugar.
The sugar and stuff. And then this is just cut open the package. And this is for the vanilla. It will be
okay
right here. And then we're gonna put this on a low settings first. And then once we get just right what we want it, we can put it on the high settings. Okay. So let's get started on the butter and the cream cheese. So we need, if you have like a container of butter, it's a half a cup. But if you have a stick, it's 1 stick. So just want to make sure you know, it says it right here on the label. Right here. Right here is 1 stick. It's a half. And then let's put it in this. And then let's put this one in. Let's open this first, and then we put it in. Okay, now, if you didn't notice, this is a little difficult, but, you know, some people on other channels know how to do better, but I don't really mind. I'm just a beginner, and beginners is okay, because it's a whole lot better that way. Okay, now, when I got the plastic off, now, let's get this in there.
Oh, I was just going to do this, yeah. All right.
That's
good.
Okay.
Just set that too.
So let's put on low settings.
Yeah, that's where you'll need to stop it and get that out, or.
Okay, now I'll just stop it for a little bit because it's on the sides. But
you also just wondering about the machine. You might need to put it a little higher to get it to come out of this thing.
Yeah. Also, probably
start it low first, and then see what. Okay, now go up a little bit. See if it doesn't. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, see, there it goes.
It's on forward, so
maybe go. No, you'll be to go around here.
See, if we put it on forward, it's a lot better.
You might try.
Can't do it.
Try 6 and see if it gets that butter out of the middle. There you go. Yeah, there it goes.
And then go on
so
6 to
knock that butter out.
Knock the butter down and everything. Now let's see what we have so far.
So yeah, there you go. Yeah, there you go. There we go.
This butter cream.
That's okay.
It's part of the process of the cream cheese icing. The recipe I got on is on a website of some kind. You get this on a website or any website or your cookbook if you have a cream cheese icing, or you just do it yourself. You can do this yourself. I don't know how you can, but I want to tell y'all that if y'all can do this yourself, that'd be awesome. But if y'all...
Okay. Oh, yeah. Got to do that. Put this up first.
And then,
Oh, whoa, slow down. It's starting to splatter. Huh?
is that it? Consistency?
No, what you want to do is you want to stop it for a minute and not worry about this so much, but just scrape it off the... Because you want to make sure it's mixed good.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
Yeah. So just...
Let's get this. Let's take care of this, and then we can
make sure it gets mixed.
Make sure we get mix. And we'll be right back after short masters. So we got it off the sides, and then now we're gonna mix it up just a little bit more, and then you can put it on, instead of doing it on regular lard, we're doing it
instead of lard, use butter.
We use butter
so
instead of lard.
Healthier.
It's a lot healthier a little bit, but it's good to have the sugar. So
a little higher there. There you go. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now.
Yeah, cut it way at the top so that you have room to get your cup in there.
Okay.
You're doing good.
And my mom is filming today, which you're probably going to hear that in the background of this film. So, just wanted to give you all info about that. So, she's helped me out too while we're doing this. Now, I got the knife to scrape it off and stuff like that. So, we got that cut off. Okay.
Yeah, just, yeah.
There
you go. That's good. That's good doing that. Oh, watch it.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
I'm not. I'm just... There you go. Okay. All right.
Okay, we got a cup of sugar. And then that's fine. Get it in there.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to do that. That's good. You got it. Just get your knife in there and move that around. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
You need me to hold it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wait a minute. You're going to... There you go. Good job.
Okay. Now we're gonna mix this up until we mix it into the
butter and cream cheese.
Butter cream cheese.
Slowly. Don't do it too fast. You always got to start off slow with the sugar. Well, see what he did? He made a little pretty snow. That's what happens when you start off too fast.
Yeah, that's what happens when you start off too fast. Yeah.
Okay, so turn it off, and then you'll need to scrape the side, just because it's what it is. Oh, here you go.
Great. I think this.
No, it's fine. You just gotta get the. Do what you've been doing.
I'm hoping.
Want me to cut it and.
Yeah. So now we are going. We got stuff on the sides. Now we just gotta mix it.
Yeah, there you go. A little higher. There you go. Let's do it slow. There you go. Starting to look like icing now.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be great.
Okay. Now you want to do your this. All right.
This is gonna be great. This is gonna be
Yeah,
awful.
it's looking good.
Okay, now
1 teaspoon.
we do not want to get a ton of this. You just want 1 teaspoon.
There you go. Okay. You're gonna need to scrape again, yeah. It's not going off the side there.
Alright. Okay, now.
Can you get it? Oh, huh? There you go. That was a good idea.
Don't do that, please, because y'all. I did it dangerously, so do not try that at all. Like literally.
All right, here we go.
We can put this on cookies, cupcakes, cakes, anything you can do. With icing like this is awesome. You can enjoy it. All these other things. Let me see if this tastes like icing.
Yeah, that's good.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And that's how you make icing. And
Cream cheese icing.
cream cheese icing. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.